Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop ads on Android without installing extra app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search bar, you have to search for DNS. Now press on private DNS. Now click on private DNS. If you see here off option, you have to select here private DNS provider host name. And you have to write here dns.azure.com. Press on save. So this is how you can stop ads on Android without installing extra app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.